Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 10, Halving, part 2. Exercise number 46, 47 and 48 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Let's start with exercise number 46. Be ready. Start. We are having a benefit show next Wednesday night and I am writing to invite you to come. Aid is badly needed for some special cases we have on our list, and all the money is to be used for that purpose. The cost of the tickets is 3 by 6 each. I know that you will wish to assist the cause as much as possible and that you will let me have your check for several tickets. Next is exercise number 47 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. The attached sheet shows the result of the year's business. You will note that, except for the first 2 months, business for the year was good. We adopted a new sales policy in March, and since that time we have enjoyed the benefit of our new methods. We have had about twice as many sales as in the same months last year. We think that this is the best evidence we could have of the value of our new policy. Next is exercise number 48 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We have sent several notes to you asking you to pay the bill for the goods you bought 6 months ago, but you have not answered any of them. We are sorry to say that now we shall have to take the usual steps to avoid the loss of our money if your check is not received by the first of next month. We urge you to mail your check to us without delay. So these are the next three exercises of chapter number 10, Halving part 2. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।